What's going on, y'all? This is Julian from Arthur Block Apparel coming to you with another video. Before we get into it, make sure you hit the like button at the bottom. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at offtheblock_apparel. Again, that's offtheblock_apparel. Everything is spelled the correct way. All right. Without further ado, I know it's been a while. I'm going to say maybe like 2 months since I last put out a video. I just been a little busy. I still have been printing. I haven't stopped that. I just been ripping and running with my son's sports. He's in 2 sports right now, football and basketball. So, life things. You know what I mean. And I just wasn't taking the time out to put out some content for those that follow me and things like that. But today, we're gonna go ahead and get right to it. So today, I'm ready to do some custom aprons for a catering company. A young lady, she wanted some aprons. She was like, I don't have a logo. I said, okay. All right. So I came up with something for her. So what you're about to see is I designed the logo. I came up with it. It didn't take me a lot of time to come up with it. And she wanted it blinged out. So you're going to see some glitters, things like that. It's fairly simple, but we're just going to get right into this video so that you guys can see it. Not going to hold you guys a long time for this one, but I'm back on and I'm going to continue to put out content just so that you guys can, if you get something from it, leave a comment below. You can DM me on my Instagram if you have any questions, things like that, because I'm going to continue to keep putting out content just so that you guys can get something from it if you're new to printing or whatever the case. So I already printed my logo. I already printed everything and weeded everything out. I try to do all that stuff so that it's not taking a lot of time in the video and just watching me weed something and stuff like that. I don't feel the need to do all that on video. But this is the apron here. This is the apron. The customer bought me the aprons, things like that, which was always a plus because I didn't have to go searching for them or look for them or order them or anything like that. So we're just gonna get right into this here. So, when you're doing glitter, whenever you're pressing glitter, you should do it at 320 degrees temp. I do it for 15 seconds just cause, and you can peel it cold. It really says peel it cold, but I mean, I peel mine, like, I guess when it's warm or what have you. For this particular design, it's gonna be a 2-color. It's gonna be a look, not so much as layering. I'm really not layering because I cut out what I need to cut out, and which I'm about to show you right now. I just want to get this in here. So I'm just gonna pre-press my apron real quick. Then I'm gonna move my camera down so you guys can see it also. So the design, and you'll be able to see this better once I print it, but this is the design. This is silver glitter. So if you see here where it says her name, V's Desired, I pretty much put the wording in there, and then I offsetted the words, and then I subtracted it. Again, I work off of Silhouette Studio. I design everything in Silhouette Studio. And then I cut that out so that I would have this portion of it. So when I cut the words are going to go in a different color so that I could just line the words up right in that space. And it gives it like, just like a offset, effect of it. And you can still see part of the apron inside of it once I lay the words down on top of here. But first thing we're going to do this part here. Next part. So the second press is going to be this here. So this is the actual words. It says V's Desired Catering. I'm not sure how good you can see it or what have you. But that's what it says, V's Desired Catering with a K. That's how she wanted it. So we're going to go ahead and get right into that right now. Let me just adjust my camera down onto the press. And there we go. We have that there. So we're just going to go ahead and line this up here. We're gonna line this up. When I do aprons, I still measure three fingers from the collar, from the top of it, and that's when I do shirts or anything. So just 3 fingers like this, and I just line it up just like that, to the top of the design. So we're gonna go ahead and put that there. That looks straight to me. Looks good. So we're gonna go ahead and press that. Now for this press, I'm only gonna press it for maybe about 10 seconds, and then I'm gonna immediately peel it up, and then I'm gonna lay down my second part of it. And then I'm gonna press that for the full 15 seconds. Okay, oh, I let it go a little bit too long, but it's okay. We're just gonna go ahead and peel that off. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and lay down this second part, and line it up within the words, right? Well, line it up within the part that I subtracted out. And you guys will see this once I'm completely done. So that's lined up. And again, I don't even have to measure it because it's in the inside of my design. And it's lined up pretty good in there. Then we're gonna go ahead and press that down for the full 15 seconds. And I'm gonna adjust my camera one more time. And then and now we are finished. We are finished. And I just like to hit it just because one more time. I don't really have to. And then we're gonna take it off, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product, which is here. So if you guys can see, it says V's Desired Catering. She wanted this. She wanted it like this. She wanted it blinged out. I'm gonna just try this on some type of way. I'm just do it like this. So you see, guys, that's how it looks on. You know, it looks really good. It's visible. It's shiny. How she wanted it blinged out or what have you. I went with the silver. You know, silver spoon. You know, I went with that. That's why I used silver. And then gold. It was just, you know, just to bring it out a little bit more, even more. So silver and gold. So again, that's the apron here. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell a friend so they could tell a friend to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at @offtheblock_apparel. Again, that's @offtheblock_apparel. The vinyl I got that from Econo Transfer. So check them out. They're on Instagram, Econo Transfer. They really have some good vinyl. That's pretty much the only company that I use at this point. Shout out to my cousin, my brother, T-shirt Side Hustle Stan. This is actually his design, his shirt. I was up in the city, up in Wilmington, where we from, and I seen this on his desk in his new shop, and I said, you know what, I'm taking that, and I went home and I put it on a shirt, of course, and it says T-shirt drug money, or what have you, but it has the drug money crossed out in the side of it like a bag, and I liked it, so I took it. And this is also done by Supercolor. Stay tuned. I will be doing some Supercolor videos in the coming days. Hope you guys enjoyed it. That's all I have for y'all. Peace out.